Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll show how to make a proper English breakfast, from ingredients to cooking tips. Tips for the perfect breakfast. Quality matters. Skip cheap sausages and bacon. Proper butcher-sourced cuts make a noticeable difference in flavor and texture. Timing is everything. Warm your plates in the oven, low heat, as you cook, so nothing cools too fast. Keep eggs runny. The yolk adds richness, binding the meal together. If scrambling, take them off the heat just before fully set, they'll keep cooking from residual warmth. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook items in batches if needed. Overfilled pans lead to steamed instead of crispy bacon and sausages. Serve immediately. An English breakfast waits for no one. Plate everything hot and dive in while the toast is crunchy and the eggs are still glistening. Got leftovers? Bubble and Squeak, fried mashed potatoes and cabbage, makes a great next day meal. The nutritional profile of an English breakfast. Love it or hate it, the full English breakfast packs a serious nutritional punch. It's rich in protein, iron and energy-dense ingredients, perfect for a morning boost, though best enjoyed in moderation. Let's break down what's on your plate and how to tweak it for a lighter option. Calories and macronutrients. A classic full English clocks in around 800 to 1,200 calories, depending on portion sizes and extras like black pudding or fried bread. Here's a rough breakdown of what you're consuming. Protein. 40 to 60 grams, from eggs, bacon, sausages and beans. That's nearly a full day's needs for many adults. Fats. 50 to 70 grams, mostly from bacon, sausages and butter. Saturated fats dominate, so balance matters. Carbs. 60 to 80 grams, mainly from toast, beans and any potatoes. It's not a low-calorie meal, but it's designed for slow-burning energy. The high protein and fat content keep you full for hours, ideal for a busy day or post-workout recovery. Healthier alternatives. You don't have to skip the tradition to eat lighter. A few smart swaps cut calories without sacrificing flavor. Choose turkey bacon or grill lean-back bacon instead of frying. It slashes saturated fat while keeping that smoky taste. Swap pork sausages for chicken or vegetarian versions. Look for options with over 80% meat and minimal fillers. Grill, don't fry. Bake tomatoes and mushrooms instead of sautéing them in butter. Use a non-stick pan for eggs with minimal oil. Add veggies. Spinach, avocado, or grilled peppers bring freshness and fiber. Go easy on the toast. Opt for whole grain or sourdough, and skip the extra butter. Small changes make a difference. Try loading half your plate with vegetables and lean protein. You'll still get the classic flavors without the heaviness. Craving indulgence? Save the full-fat version for weekends and stick to lighter tweaks during the week. Your energy levels and waistline will thank you. The English breakfast around the world. The English breakfast isn't just confined to the UK, it's inspired countless international spin-offs. Travel far enough, and you'll find local twists on the classic formula, blending traditional elements with regional flavors. Some stay true to the original, while others reimagine it entirely. International variations. Countries with strong British ties often have their own take on the full breakfast, tweaking ingredients to match local tastes. Irish fry-up. Almost identical to the English version but swaps black pudding for white pudding, oats instead of blood, and might include soda bread or boxty, potato pancakes. Scottish breakfast. Adds tatty scones, soft potato cakes, and sometimes haggis or square sausage, lawn sausage. It's heartier, leaning into Scotland's love of carbs. American full English. Often swaps baked beans for home fries or hash browns. Some versions add pancakes or biscuits, leaning into America's sweet and savory brunch culture. Australian breakfast. Avocado, grilled halloumi, or even Vegemite toast might appear alongside classic items. Lighter and veggie-forward, it mirrors Australia's cafe culture. South African fry-up. Boerewors, spiced sausage, and peri-peri sauce bring heat, while mealy bread, cornbread, stands in for toast. The core idea remains protein, carbs, and richness, but local ingredients steal the spotlight. Ever tried a version with unexpected twists? The breakfast in popular culture. The English breakfast isn't just food, it's a cultural symbol. Films and TV often use it to signal Britishness, whether it's a cozy family scene or a post-pub morning ritual. Movies. Think Hugh Grant devouring a fry-up in Notting Hill or Bond casually eating one before a mission. It's shorthand for everyday British life. Literature. From Dickens' descriptions of breakfast to modern novels, it's a recurring motif for comfort and routine. Tourism. Hotels market authentic full English breakfasts to visitors, cementing its status as a must-try experience. Even abroad, British pubs abroad serve it as a taste of home. Whether it's a greasy spoon version or a gourmet plate, the meal carries nostalgia, like an edible postcard from the UK. The English breakfast is more than a meal, it's a centuries-old tradition that fuels mornings and brings people together. From its aristocratic roots to its working-class revival, this dish tells a story of culture, comfort, and adaptability. Whether you savor it at a pub, whip it up at home, or discover global variations, the full English offers a taste of Britain's heart and history. Ready to give it a try? Grab quality ingredients, fire up the stove, and enjoy the process. Or visit a British cafe and let someone else do the cooking. Either way, it's an experience worth savoring. What's your must-have item or favorite twist? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.